Hello, this is Dan with CSE IT Software and Web Development. In this demo, we will cover how to change the unit header of a Drupal Lite website. Changing the unit header requires the site owner role in Drupal Lite. Open the Manage menu, click Appearance, find Falwell in the list of installed themes. Click the Settings link. On the resulting settings page, ignore Page Element Display and favicon. Header options let you customize the university header. There are many. Select Campus lets you select a campus your site is associated with. Use Driven to Discover lets you choose which University of Minnesota wordmark to use. The plain university wordmark is used if you select No. The default is Yes. Use Driven to Discover. I'll select No to use the simple wordmark. Header background color lets you pick between a maroon or gold university header. The default is maroon. I'll switch the header color to gold. Use campus links lets you choose if you show links to system campuses or not in the university header. The default is no campus links, so I'll turn them on. MyU link text lets you select what text to display for the MyU link. The default is to use MyU for students, faculty, and staff. I'll change the link to use just MyU. Mobile search box settings determines if the search box is always visible in mobile mode. The default is drop-down. I'll change this so the search box is always visible. Page options allow you to set the page width of the site. There are two options, a fixed width of 1200 pixels in desktop mode, or you can set it to full width of the browser. The default is a fixed width of 1200 pixels. I'll change this to use a full browser width. Site/unit identity is where you will change the name of your website. The template has some default text that you will need to change for your respective website. Enter the name of your website in site name. I'll name this site CSE Template Demo. Enter the name of your parent unit. This varies depending on your unit or research group. It might be a specific department or unit, or the College of Science and Engineering itself. I'll set the parent unit to CSE Information Technology or CSE IT. Enter the parent unit URL, link, or web address. I'll put the CSE IT website here. If you have a custom privacy statement, you can add it in the footer options. Otherwise, you can ignore footer options. Falwell image width allows you to set the image with caption styling. If you check the forceful width on Falwell images with caption box, this will override all Falwell image styles so they are 100% width. I'm going to leave this alone. Once you are done with changing the settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page, click Save Configuration. I have the original template opened up. We can use it to compare with all the changes we made in the demo site. Right off the bat, the content spans the entire width of the website instead of being a fixed width. The university header is gold instead of maroon. The wordmark does not have Driven to Discover, and the system campus links appear under the wordmark. The MyU link in the upper right is shortened. The website name and parent unit have been updated as well. It does look like there is a bit of extra space between the university header and the unit header. I'm not sure if this is intentional, so I will be contacting the Falwell team about this. In mobile mode, the original template has a search button that taps to open the search box. According to the settings I set, the search box should always show in mobile. I don't see the search box at all, so I will be sending a bug report to the Falwell team for this. There are various combinations that you can use to style the header and width of your website. Feel free to try out different options to see what is best for your website.